To screen record on iPhone, you can use the built-in screen recording feature. This feature allows you to record your iPhone screen, including audio from the microphone. To enable screen recording, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Tap the plus button next to screen recording. Close the Settings app. Once you have enabled screen recording, you can start recording your screen by following these steps. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Tap the screen recording button. Wait for the 3-second countdown. To stop recording, tap the screen recording button again. Your screen recording will be saved to the Photos app. You can then view, edit, and share your screen recording as you would any other photo or video. Here are some additional tips for screen recording on iPhone. You can record your screen with or without audio. To record with audio, make sure that the microphone is turned on in Control Center. You can pause and resume screen recording at any time. To do this, tap the screen recording button again. You can also use the screen recording feature to record your iPhone screen while you are using another app. To do this, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center and tap the screen recording button. Here are some ideas for how to use screen recording on iPhone. Create a tutorial video. Record a gameplay video. Record a video call. Record a bug or problem on your iPhone. Record a presentation or lecture. Record a video message for a friend or family member. Screen recording is a powerful feature that can be used for a variety of purposes. With a few simple steps, you can start recording your iPhone screen and share your videos with the world.